What's up? So I am at Dharamkot right now, and I was supposed to go to a trek called Triund. I know you probably knew about that, but the problem is I don't know the path of that trek, and wherever Google Map is telling me I'm going there, and I don't think so. This is the right path, but I have found Bajrangbali. Jai Shri Ram. So Bajrangbali is there, so I think it's the right path, and I have come too far to go back now. So let's get this, and so I'm taking you guys with me. So let's get it. I'm blessing this with me. The reason that I don't think it's a right path because Google Map is telling me this is a trail, and I don't think it's a trail. It's a proper path for vehicles. There is right one there, and how the hell does a trek needs this? So let's see if we can do something about this. And look at this flower is called chiu in Pahadi, and it's used for uh, its sourness in chutneys, and you can even apply it as ointment. So that's the knowledge from Mr. Satvik. Let's see. Let me just be clear. This is the only disadvantage of solo traveling, that if you don't know a place, you can't ask, because the reason you are solo traveling because you are very shy and not comfortable in group. So let's see. I have found something, and Google Map is telling me to go there, and it is showing me that this is the path to go to Triund Hill. I think it's not, or I'm confused कि मैं जूते उतार के जाऊँ या ऐसे चले जाऊँ. What to do? Now this genius Google Map is telling me I'm going wrong. Fantastic. And there's one problem also. I am getting the hints of diarrhea from tomorrow Chinese food. I have to find it quickly. Let's see. I'm getting some hope that it's the right path, because there's people here. I don't know if it is, but let's see. Jai Mata Di. You may ask me, if there's people, why aren't you asking them? Because I am a shy little Asian, and I don't like to take help from other. So I'm gonna do it on my own. So let's. I found a great tree of क्या बोलते थे कुराली. You can make sabzi out of their flowers. It's quite unique. It's been an hour now, and I haven't found anything close to that track, but I have found a must quote. I want to read it for you guys. We do not inherit the earth from our parents, we borrowed it from our children. I don't know what that means, but it sounds cool. So the only hope right now I have is that there's some people behind me that are also hiking this road, and I'm also thinking that they are going where I'm going. So let's see. I have found another one of this mandir. Jai Mata Di. There's monks going in front of me. And you know what they say? Wherever the monk's going, follow them. Oh fuck. So I'm gonna do exactly that. I am yet in another temple, and I don't know if it's the right path or not, but the Pahadi and Japanese inside me is saying it is. So I'm gonna follow the instincts. But it's quite a great view from here. just like my hometown. It's time for Pahadi Knowledge Chapter 3, and I'm gonna teach you something if you don't know. So this plant right here is called ant or pichugote. What it does is it have these spikes, and if you touch this plant, you will get all itchy, and it hurts also. So as a child, my mom used to beat me with this as a punishment, and it is quite irritating. So the lesson in this teaching is, if you want your kids to act straight or be good, you can use this. It's called an or bichugoti. You can find it anywhere. So use this. Yes, let's go. I'm going right. I got this slip for entering further. So let's go. Yeah. Pahadi lesson number 4. So if you have seen this flower, it's actually edible. It's called chiu, and it's sour in taste. What it does is it has a lot of vitamin C, and you can certainly replenish your hunger at some point. So if you see this, you can eat this. Now it does look like a trek. So let me climb a bit further, and then I will give you update. I am certainly going right now, and the view from here is quite great. I want to show you guys. Let me just check. So I guess I came from somewhere there, and I'm now here. So let's conquer this trek, and we will meet. It's a mountain lizard, and it's time for Pahadi lesson 5. So if you have been lost in mountains and you see this, it means you're going right. Because if you are aiming to go at a higher place, these lizards are only at higher place because they want more sunlight, and so that's why they are on higher place. And if you see them, it means you're going right. So let's go. I'm almost there now. It's, I guess, 800 meter left. So hold on. So the reason why I am saying 800 meter was because I mentally, it was not 800 meters, it was another, I guess, 3.5 or 4 kilometers. And the real reason is because it was written that 800 meters, and the rest from halfway is wiped off. So that's why. Okay, enjoy the rest. So I just walked for like 10 seconds, and I have found something. This motor, I don't know what this is for. Who is this man that brings it here? He's strong as hell, क्योंकि लोग यहाँ खुद नहीं आ पा रहे हैं. I stopped here for a water break, and I saw where we have to go. There, and we are here. It's quite high, but we gonna do this because as a legend once said, "Kar har maidan fateh." So we gonna do that. So I have to unlock my first lifeline, this umbrella, because it's quite hot right now, and I don't want to get tanned. So it rocks. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it for this vlog, and I know it's not a cinematic vlog, and it's not a aesthetically pleasing vlog, and it's neither funny, but it is it is. But before going, I want to end this vlog with a it's not a vlog, it's blog, with a motivational speak, because why not? So it goes something like this. If you Okay, so Shabba Khair, and I'm going. So bye bye.